Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm finally going to be drawing the winner to the Profiles Backstage giveaway. But first, before I pick the winner, I am going to be doing a set of nails, and it's going to be milk bath nails. I love milk bath nails. They are one of my favorites. I'm going to be doing it on myself, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to do the milk bath nails, and these flowers I'm going to be using I got from Temu. I am obsessed with Temu right now. I see it everywhere, and yeah, they're pretty good. I tried it out and the shipping's pretty quick, but I like it. I like it a lot. But I'm also going to use these flowers from Amazon that I got. Had them forever. Just gonna throw a little bit of everything in there. I'm gonna put in these little caviar beads, super mini caviar beads that I got from Amazon as well. These are the rose gold ones. When I ordered them, it came with the rose gold, and silver. I think that was it. Oh, and the dark, like black ones. These ones, regular silver and regular gold, and of course the rose gold that I just showed you. So we throw those in there. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already used my dehydrator. Now I'm going to use my Nailmate Pro Bond Acid Primer. I'm going to put a layer of this on each nail, being very careful not to get it on my skin. And then I will put another quick coat on right before I apply my acrylic, one at a time. Okay, so first I'm going to start out by putting a very thin layer of the milky white on each of the nails. And on this step, you need to make sure that your layer is super thin, because some of the flowers are, well, they're big. So you don't want your nail to be too bulky. If you do get too much of the milky white on, then just make sure that you file it down so it's not too thick underneath there. Otherwise, it's going to be bulky, and then you're going to file through your flowers. Or even if you do a design that has a bunch of stuff inside of it, that is the best way to do that. You need to file that before you put all of your flowers or whatever you put in the nail, so you don't mess up the whole thing, because you can't go back and do that. And I've done that I don't know how many times. take my base coat from Eno Couture and I'm going to apply it to the nails, and that's how I am going to place my flowers and my beads and all that stuff. That's normally how I apply my glitters and stuff. It's just easier for me to do it that way instead of the clear acrylic, which after I apply all the flowers, then I will cure it, and then I will apply the clear acrylic. But yeah, so I'll let you watch as I do that. I'm also gonna take this glitter from Profiles Backstage, Winter White Chrome Flakes. It's so pretty. I think I might put some of those on there too, I'm not sure. But yeah.
You warned me 1,000 times, memories can kill ya, but I didn't hear ya. I thought that I could fly, but woke up on the asphalt. I swear there was still less time. I've always been naive, gullible and nervous, and you used all of me, inside and on the surface. What is the point of your game? I'm tired of giving, I don't play. Just let me forget your name forever.
gonna take my Milky White again from Not Polish, and I'm gonna go over all of these and make sure that you get in between every little flower, every little crack that's in there. And it's okay if it gets a little bulky because we're gonna file it down, and if you file a little bit of the flower, it's okay. It will still look neat. But I'm just gonna fill that in with the Milky White, and then I'm gonna put the clear on top. So you don't need tons of the white. You just wanna fill that in because you don't wanna completely cover the flowers. If you put too many layers of it, then you're just not gonna be able to see it, so.
Back, but I can't. I wanna leave you behind, but I can't. It's not easy to love you, darling. It's not easy to love you, darling. Should I leave you in the moment? Should I tell you all the problems? It's not easy to love you, baby. It's not easy to love you, baby. It's not easy to love you, baby. You just run, you don't talk, and don't wanna be behind you, baby. Behind you, baby. Let it go, let it go, let it fly. It's not love, it's not love, it's not the time. Let it go, let it go, let it fly. It's not love, it's not love, it's not love.
Now I'm going to take my Young Nails Clear acrylic, and I'm going to just build the bulk that I need and structure and all that good stuff, and make sure that that is completely covered, the flowers, so I don't file into them too much. I filed a little bit into them, but it didn't make a difference. It was fine. So I'm just gonna quickly do this, and we will get into the profiles backstage drawing. Okay, let's tell everyone what your name is.
That's a fire.
Good job. Are you going to be drawing the name today?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw the lucky winner. Okay, who is it? Let's see.
Fire.
Let's see. The lucky winner is Tammy Swinney. Congratulations, girl. Congratulations to Tammy Swinney. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name at the beginning. I am awful at pronouncing names, but congratulations. I'm glad that you won. I'm going to be getting a hold of you on Instagram so you can send me your address and I can get that shipped out to you as soon as possible. Thank you everyone who entered into the giveaway. I appreciate all of you guys, and yeah, I'm just excited. Time to file. Use my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, the 100 grit side and the 180 grit. Yeah, so I'm going to use this, take down the bulk. As you can see, I have a lot of bulk to take down, and I'm going to use my Cura Sky file, electric file. I'll probably end up filing through some of these flowers that stick up, but that's okay. You won't hardly be able to tell. I'm not going to show the filing, but I will be right back when I'm done. Now that I got my filing done, I'm going to take my buffer from Profiles Backstage. I love this buffer. It is so nice. And I'm going to buff out all of the little scratches that you can see from the file. And then I'm going to take my Outshine top coat from Profiles Backstage and I'm going to slap that on these babies, and then we will be done. Here they are. I am in love with them. Tell me what you think down in the comments. I want to thank everybody who entered into the giveaway, and thank you all so much for your support. It just makes making these videos worthwhile. Yeah, I enjoy meeting everybody, and I just want you to know how much I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and congratulations again to Tammy. Also, after I show you guys the set, I'm gonna put what my thumbnail looks like because I added these flowers that I got off of Temu. I've wanted to get these flowers for quite a while now. They are so cute, but I kept putting it off. But Temu has some really cheap stuff, but they're quality stuff, so I decided why not. So I really wish I would have put it on all of my nails, but I really didn't have a lot of time, so it's just on the old thummy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.